Welcome to this instructional video on how to factorize the equation x raised to the power of 4 minus 81. In this video, we will walk through a step-by-step solution to simplify and factorize this expression. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to factorize x raised to the power of 4 minus 81. Let's get started. Step 1. Start by recognizing that x to the fourth power minus 81 is a difference of squares. This can be factored using the formula for the difference of squares, which is a squared minus b squared equals a minus b times a plus b. In this case, x to the fourth power minus 81 can be rewritten as x squared squared minus 9 squared. Here, a is x squared, and b is 9, so the expression now reads x squared minus 9 times x squared plus 9. Step 2. Now, focus on the expression x squared minus 9 times x squared plus 9. Notice that x squared minus 9 is another difference of squares. We can factor this further using the same approach applied in step 1. Here, x squared can be rewritten as x times x, and 9 rewritten as 3 squared. According to the difference of squares formula, it becomes x minus 3 times x plus 3. Thus, the fully factored form of x squared minus 9 is x minus 3 times x plus 3. As a result, the expression x squared minus 9 times x squared plus 9 now reads x minus 3 times x plus 3 times x squared plus 9. This completes the factorization. Step 3. Since x squared plus 9 does not factor further using real numbers, we have completed the factorization process. Therefore, the fully factored form of x to the fourth power minus 81 is x minus 3 times x plus 3 times x squared plus 9. This is the final step. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.